As indicated by our sort of current Mask Network cost expectation, the worth of Mask Network will expanded by 243.10%, coming to $9.87 by end of 2025. All specialized markers basically demonstrate that the very current opinion is unbiased, while the trepidation and insatiability list is perusing 31.06, and that implies fundamentally intense apprehension, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Our Mask Network gauge, its truly hold Mask Network at the present time, on September 21, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while sort of different markers flagged negative signs, demonstrating a very broad unbiased feeling among Mask Network cost forecasts in a significant manner. See the specific Mask Network cost forecast beneath. You will realize how sort of much Mask Network truly is worth in the next few long stretches of time, or so they certainly thought. Throughout recent days, Mask Network has expanded by 0.33%. Because of this, we can get with the exception of a sort of slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of September, the worth of Mask Network expanded by 115.78% and came to approach around $5.85. At present, all markers are demonstrating impartial zone, and the trepidation and eagerness record really shows 31.06 certainly intense apprehensions. As indicated by our figure, this isn't the ideal opportunity to hold Mask Network, or so they thought. Presently, Mask Network is exchanging beneath the 200 basic moving normal and unobtrusive way. For the very most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a Mask Network holding signal incredibly. The cost of Mask Network essentially is as of now running beneath the 50-day basic moving pretty normal SMA, and it really shows a sell sort of sign. As per every specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $3.95 toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, Mask Network S by and large momentary 50-day SMA sort of shows a $2.88. The overall strength file, RSI, force oscillator, is a well-known pointer that signals whether a digital money really is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI is presently at Hercivalu. This demonstrates that the Mask market essentially is in an impartial situation in an unpretentious way. Mask Network Value Expectation 2023. In the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023, Mask Network came to $3.51. When it dipped under $2.03, interestingly since January 2021, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. As per the financial backers and market trades, Mask Network essentially is en route to passing the $5.90 mark before the current year is over. Before $5.90, it might break its sign of $97.92, and all things considered, arrive at in a very significant way. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Mask Network will in a real sense break its past all-time commonly high of $97.92 and hold somewhere in the range of $5.75 and $5.90 soon in an unpretentious manner. At this point, on 21 September 2023, Mask Network is exchanging at $2.71, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 139.11 M. And it makes number 117 money in the entire crypto world. Mask Network Value Expectation 2024. There fundamentally is plausible that Mask Network can get through the $6.97 obstruction and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The sort of the least Mask Network cost will explicitly be between $5.82 to $6.97. And the most probable Mask Network cost will be consistent at around $6.46 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Mask Network's wild swings in esteem and the discussion encompassing its ecologically unpleasant energy utilization, very rich person adventure certainly entrepreneur Tim Draper generally is adhering to his expectation that Mask Network will in every practical sense reach $6.97 toward the finish of 2024 or especially mid-2024. Mask Network Value Expectation 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists, in a real sense, foresee that Mask will begin the year at $7.99 and exchange around $9.87, which is genuinely critical, as indicated by their forecasts. This would be incredibly high contrasted with last year, or so they thought. This truly is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin in a significant way. Mask Network Value Expectation 2026 there in every practical sense is, in all things considered, great possibility that Mask Network 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost, yet it sort of is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal really most extreme $12.33 level. Mask Network sort of is anticipated to basically arrive at a record-breaking high of $11.76 or $12.33 in 2026, and it could truly be the extended period of Mask Network, which by and large is very critical. Mask Network Value Expectation 2027 Mask Network Value Forecast, or Mask, will encounter enormous development in 2027, as it can possibly accomplish new highs as far as costs and market cap. Mask Network's cost, all things considered, is supposed to truly outperform $12.33 in 2027. It has been anticipated that Mask Network will arrive at the most extreme cost of $12.33, and the base cost is supposed to essentially be around $10.43 in the following a long time from 2027, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Mask Network Value Expectation 2028 Market examiners and specialists say that Mask Network Value Forecast and Specialized Examination, Mask Network by and large, is supposed to cross a value level of $14.25 in 2028. In the meantime, Mask Network generally is supposed to arrive at any rate cost of $12.87 this year, which is genuinely critical. The greatest cost might reach $14.81. Mask Network Value Forecast 2029 by the start of 2029. The Mask Network Value Expectation and Specialized Examination foresee that the expensive Mask Network will reach $19.85, and the cost of Mask ought to reach $19.85 before the year is over in a significant manner. Furthermore, Mask can reach up to $18.29 in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will really bring critical years for Mask Network development. Mask Network Value Expectation 2030 of every 2030. Mask Network Value Forecast are supposed to basically cross the $27.92 in every practical sense normal cost level, as per Mask Network estimate and specialized examination.